Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic front light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Always refer to your Honda Civic owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or warnings before you begin. Next, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently twist or pull to disconnect it. Some models might have a protective cover or a few clips that need to be removed first to gain full access to the bulb housing. Now, with the connector off, carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Never touch the glass part, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. If you removed any protective covers or clips, put them back on now. Close the hood, then turn on your Honda Civic's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully changed your front light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.